Hi, I am Chakradhar Majeti, founder of Dhanush In-Services India Private Limited. Today I am going to talk about Dhanush MEP Center's franchisee model. I will talk with question and answer model so that you understand the overall business model. Firstly, everybody thinks why I should take a franchisee business. In easy terms or easy words, it is a ready-made business to start. Existing brand in the industry, experience in the industry, SOPs and best practices in the industry are given to you in a platter. You just need to take them and apply to have a successful and a sustainable business. The beauty of franchisee is that it's a ready to start business with guidance. What is MEP industry? In easy words, so that an ordinary person can understand, it is the science in a building by which air conditioning, ventilation, electricity and water distribution happens. What does a mechanical engineer do? He plays a very important role in the design, drafting, execution of the air conditioning system in the building. Similarly, what does an electrical engineer do? He plays an important role in design, drafting, execution of an electrical system or distribution of electricity within the building. Mechanical or civil engineer plays an important role in designing, drafting, execution of water distribution within a building. Please let me know in comments, do you think all these topics are being taught in the college? Don't you see an opportunity to train and educate the fresh engineers who are coming out of the industry and give them an employment opportunity? Why is MEP industry important? We humans cannot live in the building without having MEP services. What does that mean? You may have a civil structure, but you cannot live in that building without water, electricity, as well as air-conditioned spaces. It is difficult to occupy a building without MEP services. All the buildings which come under the construction industry, the projects in a construction are small, medium, and large. So the candidates who come out of colleges also are from different level of skills and knowledge. So once we train them on this MEP, the candidate can go into a small company, medium company, or a large company, depending upon his knowledge and skills. Why Dhanush? First and only NSDC approved training partner in the MEP industry. Member of India International Skill Center, which is working under the guidance of NSDC and Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. 17 years of experience in the skill development ecosystem. Experience of training 25,000 plus engineers and technicians and giving them guidance for the placement. We have adopted different modes of training: classroom, online, as well as e-learning model. We have a wonderful placement policy. Lifetime placement support to any candidate who has completed programs, training programs with us. We are associated with more than 950 companies across India, which gives the ability for us to provide good number of interviews till the candidates gets placed. The most exciting thing is corporate training. We are providing training to Blue Star, L&T, Tata Housing and many more companies, which shows the quality of content and the way we deliver the content. We have another feather in our cap. We are authorized training partner of Blue Star. Now let's talk about the main agenda, franchisee models of Dhanush. We have two models. One is engineering training program The second is technician training program. You are free to take engineering franchisee as well as technician franchisee. We have no objections. You want to take both, even we accept that. In engineering model, the space requirement is 1500 to 2000 square feet. Similarly, for technician. If you want to take engineering and technician, the space requirement comes up to 2500 to 3500 square feet. The most important question, how much do I need to invest? For engineering franchisee, your investment could be 10 to 12 lakhs. For technician, also it could be 10 to 12 lakhs. Depending on your locality, it may vary. If you want to take both engineering and technician, the investment would be 18 to 22 lakhs. Why should you take the decision now? The pandemic has created a situation where 2020, 2021, 2022 batches have passed out and the employment opportunities are very, very low because of the pandemic situation. Companies are coming to us with a lot of manpower requirement now. Why? Because after the pandemic, the deadlines which were there have passed. The new deadlines are very short. The companies need engineers and technicians with knowledge and skill. This is the opportunity which we all can grab and enter into the skill development industry. Once we have spoken about the investment required, the next question which comes in any investor's mind is, what is the ROI? According to my experience, 1 year is sufficient for you to get ROI, provided you are following the guidelines and the best practices shared by us. If this business interests you, we have given an registration link. Please fill it and we'll get in touch with you. Let's skill India together.